super love it! So, dati siyang 2,290. Guess what? Nabili ko na lang siya ng 300. Para sa akin talaga to. Wow, such a steal. Wow, it's anti-aging! Natural breast. Oh my God. Oh, pampalaki ng boobs. Hi, my loves! This is Mai and welcome back to another episode of My Loves. And in today's video, as what the title tells you, it's going to be another haul, but this time, it's about a specific brand and it's none other than H&M. I only got 4 items here because originally this video is supposed to be a separate vlog for H&M alone, but as much as I want to buy and add more items, my wallet says no, enough na daw. So, ito lang yung nakayanan ko. This is also a great opportunity for me to share with you my PR unboxing because yes, may mga nagpadala na sa atin. Thank you so much, brands. I got 4 different brands here. And most of them are skincare because you know, and we all know that skincare is life and skincare is self-care. I also got footwear items here. So if you're interested in these items that I got from my background, just keep on watching. But before we proceed, I hope you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, My Labs, and click that bell button so that you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I just fixed my background so that it will just be all white for the framing. And yan, nandito kasi ako sa house ng ate ko. So this is their window. Ayan, may poste dyan. Nag-house tour ka, girl, bigla. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. Glass siya, girl. So yeah, it's actually my first time to do a shopping haul vlog for a clothing brand. Unahin ko muna itong maliit since 1 item lang naman yun nandito. Another white top because we're obsessed with white, neutrals, and nude colors. And as you can see, may red tag siya, meaning it's super sale. Gusto ko sana yung large, pero you know, yung parang oversized na polo. Kahit size small siya, pag sinuot mo siya, para siyang oversized. Kaya, I invested in this because, you know, I'm doing a lot of shoots for my brands. Kaya magagamit ko siya. Dati siyang 1,190. Nabili ko na lang siya ng 600 pesos. So, i-compute nyo yun, guys, kung magkano yung natipid ko sa white polo na to. Kaya, I super love it. See? This big paper bag. Mukha lang siyang marami dahil malaki yung paper bag. But actually, 3 items lang naman yun nandito. It's a blazer, Plaid blazer. I invested in this blazer kasi, di ba, napaka-classic niya and yeah, timeless pieces sila. Kaya maganda na mag-invest tayo sa mga blazer. So yes, di ba ang ganda niya? See? Sukat na sukat siya sa akin. Ang ganda talaga. Ang lakas maka-social. So, dati siyang 2,290. Size ko is 32 para super fit siya sa akin talaga. Super exact ng fit niya. And, nabili ko lang siya ng 900 pesos. This is such a steal. You know, kung may super steal, ito talaga yun. Kaya, don't mind the price na lang, di ba? Another blazer! Yes! Guys, alam nyo ba na itong dalawang to, nakita ko sila sa H&M. A month ago, new arrival pa sila. And then, hinintay ko talaga na mag-sale sila. My God, para sa akin talaga to. Kasi, alam mo yun, tig-isa na lang yung naiwan. Buti na lang naabutan ko pa siya. So, same price sila. 2,290 yung original price. Nabili ko na lang ng 900 pesos. Size 32 as well. This one is super such a steal, di ba? So, para sa akin talaga to. Kasi ito talaga yung ina-eye ko sa mga style or design ng blazers na new arrival dun sa H&M. Actually, itong blazer lang na to, ang gustong-gusto kong bilhin during that time. Eh, wala naman akong pambilhin for 2,290 for this blazer lang. Alam mo yun, hindi ko talaga mapapabili ng gano'ng kamahal. Rinab ko na yung opportunity since naisip ko na 900 pesos na lang siya isa, kaya dalawa yung binili kong blazer, diba? At least hindi ka nalugi doon. See? Magagamit at magagamit ko talaga sila. Kaya pumili ako ng neutral colors. This white long sleeves. I think it's off-white or cream. Pero again, it's in the shade of white. Over and over again. OMG, what's happening to me? Char. Guess what? Dati siyang 799, nabili ko na lang siya ng 300 pesos. Wow, such a steal again. See? Pwedeng-pwede itong i-partner sa mga brown or apricot or khaki trousers. So, na-imagine ko na, tapos may white shoes ka. These items are all timeless pieces. So, yeah, this is how I style. Char! Makikita nyo na lang to sa IG feed ko, guys, kasi talagang magagamit ko sila in the future. So, let's proceed to the second part of this video, which is PR unboxing. Ano kaya unahin natin? Char, ito bang malaki na to? Oh, excited ba kayo kung ano to? Start muna pala sa footwear because the rest ay skincare na. So, this is the package that I got from Mia Manila. You can follow them on their Instagram account. I already checked their account, and as I can see, they have classic and fashionable and beautiful footwear. So, it's time for me to give a verdict on the quality of their products. So, let's see what's inside. Wow! Oh my God. Favorite color ko siya. Thank you so much, Mia Manila. White siya. Size 6 ako, guys. And ayun, big bagay siya dito, see? Super bagay siya sa suot ko ngayon. As in, first time ko lang siyang nabuksan ngayon. Na nagkataon talaga na bagay siya dun sa design ng dress ko. See? Hindi lang masyadong kita kasi masyadong maliwanag. Pero yeah. Diba, napaka-simple lang niya. Pero ang elegant tingnan. And the quality, guys. Wala akong masabi sa quality, ha. Matigas siya. So, very sturdy siya. And kapag suot ko siya, guys, ramdam ko na secured yung mga paa ko. Kasi kahit bare lang yung style niya, since ito lang yung mag-enclose sa paa mo, super bare siya. Pero, secured na secured yung mga paa ko. Wow, ang ganda. Ang chic, ang stylish. Wala akong masabi kahit na super simple lang ng color niya and design. Different color naman. Nude. I think it's nude pink or rose pink. Wow, I love this piece. God! It looks so elegant. Thank you so much, Mia Manila. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Let's proceed to the set of skincare packages. The first brand that we have here is Omy Lady. And yeah, so cute naman yung brand name nila. Omy Lady. Char. Oh, so we have 3 items. Rapid Skin Bleaching Cream. Magagamit ko siya kasi kailangan na natin mag-bleaching. Char. So it's Rapid Whitening Natural Pearl Powder with no harm to skin. So the next we have here is Natural Breast. Oh my God. Oh my God. Natural Breast Enlargement Cream. It is safe and effective. No rebound. Oh. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh yes. Ito yung picture niya. Oh, see. Pampalaki ng boobs. You guys, I will do a review on this. Sana effective. Pag effective talaga to, I will highly recommend this, guys. Sa buong earth. Sa buong earth. Okay, so we have here organic clay mask stick. You guys know how much I love organic products. So, see? Paano siya gamitin? Wait yun na lang yung IGTV ko. I will post an IGTV about this brand as well. Para siyang deodorant style, pero sa face siya. Thank you so much, Omy Lady, for this set of skincare. I will surely make a review on this, so you better stay tuned. I'm so excited to use all of this. OMG, like Omy Lady. You may follow Omy Lady Skincare on their Instagram account at Omy Lady Official. They also have Shopee account so that you can easily check and buy their products. You can just type in at balala.ph. They have huge set of different skincare there. So you better check that out. Package from Ever Organics. Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng box nila. Lakas makasyala. Talaga namang Ever Organics. So, ang ganda. Oh. Parang okay na ako sa box. Soothing Gel, Snail Aloe. Wow, it's anti-aging! Very timing kasi tumatanda na tayo. So, oh my God. Meron kasi nagtanong sa akin, kaibigan ko, kung ano ba magandang anti-aging na skincare. And I will definitely recommend this sa kanya kapag talagang magandang effect dito sa akin. Dalawang soothing gel yung na-receive ko from them. Ang active ingredient nito is whitening, while this is for anti-aging. Thank you so much, Ever Organics, for gifting me this soothing gel. Also, please follow Ever Organics on their Instagram account at Ever Organics for you to get latest updates about their skincare products. Now, let's proceed to the last, but definitely, and most definitely not the least, because this is the biggest box of skincare package that I got here with me. Ta-da! This is from Pond's PH. Thank you so much, Pond's. They messaged me on my Instagram asking me to do a checkout by myself on their Shopee account. So you can just follow their Shopee account. I will just put the link there and somewhere here. Originally, they're supposed to give me set of products from them na sila talaga yung nagbigay. Pero nagkaroon ng problem sa logistics, I think. They just gave me 1,000 worth of voucher. May iba pa akong binili bukod dun sa mga skincare na yon. So, meaning to say, out of my pocket, yung isang item dito. Exciting siya, hindi kasi siya skincare. So, makikita nyo na lang. Are you guys excited? Tada! Hindi pala kita. Oh. So, i-assemble pa siya. Wow! I think kompleto naman siya, guys. Mag-insert na lang ako kung na itsura niya. So, here are the items that I personally bought from Pond's. It's very easy. Very easy for me to buy these products with Shopee. My personal choice. This one is pore conditioning toner. I am very much conscious about my pores. Since high school ako, Pond's na talaga yung trusted brand ko for my skin. I chose 2 shades from this latest Pond's skincare collection because sometimes I just want to feel the shimmery glow and sometimes pinkish glow. I also have here this Super Cream Detox. This is perfect for oily skin. This one is the InstaBright Tone Up Milk Essence. This Age Miracle Youthful Glow. This is for night cream. I chose the Youthful Glow because, you know, it's like Heart Evangelista Youthful Glowing Skin. This Vitamin Micellar Water Brightening Rose. And I have another creams. White Beauty Spotless Glow. This is a facial foam. You guys know that I'm really using Pond's Clay facial foam. Yes, I included that in my very first skincare vlogs. Lastly, I have here this wrinkle correcting serum mask. I just want to highlight in this vlog that for 800 pesos and something, I already got 11 items from Pond's, which completes my skincare routine. So I have the facial foam, the toner, the micellar water, the creams, day and night creams, and for my makeup base, and I also have the mask and all that. This one is nice buy for me kasi talagang magagamit ko siya in my everyday use for my skincare routine. Again, thank you so much, Pond's, for gifting me this. You can follow Pond's PH on their Instagram account as well as on their Shopee account. That's it for my H&M try-on haul and the most exciting part in this vlog, the PR unboxing. Thank you so much, friends. Mia Manila, Omy Lady, Ever Organics, and Pond's PH for trusting me and gifting me all of these items. I am truly grateful and honored to promote your products, and I will definitely give you my honest review, so stay tuned, you guys, on my IGTV and IG posts. Just follow me on my Instagram account at @mayibehen. Please don't forget to subscribe, my loves, and see you in my next one. Bye!